Another good video today. I'm gonna be. This is the first all cooking video segments thingies. I don't know what we're gonna be doing, but today I have the pan pre-oiled. Actually, to tell the truth, I started filming this already. I think I never baked anything. So, I figured we started with a bit easy. We have cake mix, pumpkin. I have a couple different cameras, and it's gonna take a long time to edit all these videos. I'm not ready. So we have these, and yeah. So let's just get on the ingredients that we're gonna need for this cake mix. I'm gonna need 1 cup water, 1/2 cup oil, 3 whole wheat, and you're not dropping 3 whole wheat loaves. Let's get the oil and the water and the 3 whole wheat loaves. I'm not gonna be using 3 eggs because we already have the pumpkin, which is gonna make it even moist, and then it's already super moist, so we're just gonna use 1 egg. Should I? What am I measuring? So, because we're moving, I lost my measuring spoons. I only have my cups now, but that is okay. Oh, wait. I don't even have my bowl yet. First, let's open this cake mix, because I'm really excited to see what it smells like, to be honest. I'm excited. Oh, you smell delicious. Oh, you smell like fall. I am so excited. Maybe I should use the scissors. Kind of like a behind the scenes. On a stick, I know. There's so much things. There's so many things going on. Turns out we're not doing the gathering. Oh, smells like fall, to be honest. Okay, well now I need a bowl. Let there be a clean bowl, please. Perfect, it's like everything I need. It's just, it was waiting right there for me. Oh my god, it smells so good. It smells like fall. I need all of you to come in here. No, don't spill. The only place you need to be spilling is into the bowl. Oh my god, I'm so excited. I need to get spice cakes more often. It says do not eat raw cake batter, but it's kind of hard. This is a lot of cake batter. So we're gonna have a big cake. At the end of November, I'm gonna try to do a fall, like, special. Maybe like a pumpkin. I don't know. This is just a mess. It's just gonna take me so long to edit. But that's okay, it's all for you guys. I'm moving from like side to side. Never do that again. Yeah. Now we're gonna open a pumpkin. Believe it or not, I've never seen pumpkin puree. Don't go in the comment section below, be like, Brandon, you like to bake and you've never seen pumpkin puree? I've never seen pumpkin puree, so be quiet. Be quiet and go away, leave me alone. I've been living my best life. In the words of Snoop Dogg. Oh my gosh, actually, I think I have. This smells kind of savory. More than sweet. Let's taste it. We're gonna use like half of this because it's full. We don't need. Look, there better be a clean spoon. If there's not a clean spoon, I'm gonna go like that. Okay. This is what's gonna make it a pumpkin spice cake. Hi, Dad. I'm just letting you know now, I'm making a video. Huh? No, especially when there's something fall themed, definitely can't not.
Can't help yourself.
No.
You're a video junkie.
That's not enough pumpkin. Yeah, this is enough. Okay, let's add our eggs. I'm going to try to do the method that Ro uses. Oh, where's the box? Wait, is it egg whites? No, it's just eggs, okay. Forget you. Forget you. No. I have my own ways of opening eggs. Thankfully, there's a trash can right here in the new kitchen because it would have been bad. We're gonna use 2 eggs. Mom said to use 2 eggs. And then 1 cup water and ½ cup oil. Get in there, you stupid eggs. Let's follow these directions. Okay. 350. Bake. Oh, yeah. Is this a shiny metal? I have it. It's so much mess going on right now. It's just like, let me take you guys on a tour behind the scenes. This is what's going on behind the scenes of my cooking videos. This is what goes on. You all don't understand. Mom said to do a bit less than a cup. Oh. But now it doesn't look very good. It doesn't look tasty. So we have a cup oil. Oh my god, that changed oil for me for the rest of my life. That's all the things we need to make this cake. We're 7 minutes into this video and I've accomplished nothing. It's a mess everywhere. I'm gonna have to use this soup something, this thing, because it's the closest thing to a clean mixing spoon that we have. We'll just use this. I'm gonna mix it a little bit. See, guys? When it's completely mixed. See how when it's completely mixed. Well, now our cake is in the pan. And boy, does it smell good. Alright. Let's put you on the bottom rack. Oh my god, you're really hot. To the left. Everything you own to the left. I'm making this for 38 to 43, so 42 minutes? Okay. Clock. Hey, Dad. Hey, Dad. I have a question. How do you set the timer on the oven? 35-minute timer. On. See you guys later. Look at the cake. Oh boy, okay, it's done, I think. So we're gonna test it out using this. This is gonna be my cake tester. Get Emily out, get Emily out, get Emily out, get Emily out, quick! You guys go. Make sure Emily doesn't come back in. Woo! You're hot, you're hot, you're hot, you're hot, you're hot. Okay, oh boy. Oh god. Oh jeez. Oh, ow. You're burning. You're burning. Okay, let me turn you off because I don't want this video to be too long. It's gonna be too long. Well, here's the cake. It's nice, crispy. And it smells like fall delight. Just gonna wait for it to cool off. And then we'll ice and then everything will be perfect and nice, and it won't. Please don't come out like the last time I made a cake or cooking video. Nope. Last time I made a cooking video was cinnamon rolls. Looks like this turned out to look nice. Okay, this is everywhere. There's just stuff everywhere. I'll be mad at Kaden because Kaden doesn't want to play with them. Oh! Oh my goodness, you guys. Yes! Oh my gosh, yes, I'm so happy. It came out perfect. We have taken out our cake. You're about to fall, but you're not going to fall. No, Emily, stop trying to touch the cake. Stop trying to touch it. It's whipped buttercream. Oh. Yes. Alright, I'm messing the cake right now.
We did it off and nothing. We did it off and nothing, Kaden.
In the fridge, you go. Chat. Oh. Well, shouldn't put that there. Oh no. Boop, boop, boop. Okay, but the cake was in the fridge, and now it needs to be out of the fridge. We're gonna move this mess because it doesn't need to be here. So. Oh no. Okay, well, I'm just gonna eat you. And you're heavy. We shall not talk about what happened. Alright, well, here's the cake. I'm gonna tell everybody's done, and I'm gonna cut myself a piece, and then I'm gonna eat it, and then. Oh, I've cut into it. Let's see what it looks like inside. I'm so proud of myself. I made this, you guys. Oh, pieces are dripping on the floor. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Okay, this is not my piece. This is my mom's piece. I gotta stop eating it. I worked hard to make this cake. So, I think it's time for a treat. I'm dropping big clumps of the cake on the floor. It's time to treat myself to a treat of this cake.
Everybody, turn out. Make that plate.
I made my plate and I'm eating mine.
Make that plate.
This is really good.
Hey guys.
Go away, Christopher. He's been trying so hard already to just get his little skinny self into the video.
Hey guys.
Goodbye.